why? Like, just why? I don't understand. What the fuck is this ghetto ass shit?
Are in a management position. Again, it could be the big person in charge, or it could be the people in classwork for today. We're just gonna look over articles together.
I did.
Somebody call me goth today. How am I goth? like honestly, let's do an OTD. OOTD.
Outfit of the day.
Okay. How is this goth? Like, I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Like, Roosevelt is dumb.
You know what she is? Depressed. This is depression.
This is called I don't want to come to school outfit.
That shit hit me up. I'm a funny guy. Right? Hey yo, bitch.
I could never do my work in career math because this crackhead sits next to me. Hey guys.
It's Fridays and my eyes
It's Fridays.
aren't on fleek.
I'm trying to do the intro and you're being a crackhead. Like, give me. Anyway, it's Friday. This ain't even my phone because I'm recording on my phone, but go follow my friend.
Like, I follow back.
First of all, nobody saw that. No.
Maybe. I'm a crackhead. This is why we get along.
Everybody knows I'm a crackhead. All my videos scream crackhead energy.
The beep in it, okay?
Okay. Hey guys. So I'm at work right now and I fell. Like, I actually fell. I fell in the dusty ass town I live in. And now my knee's fucked up. Like, what the fuck? What kind of bullshit? So now I'm at work doing my makeup. My knee said, hallelujah, bye.
Back, no makeup. Ooh, burning and itching, burning and itching.
Burning and itching, burning and itching. Itching and burning, it be.
Let's start with Roosevelt.
Roosevelt is a town in Long Island. You gotta enlighten y'all on your own actions.
What? I don't think so.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry too.
First of all, Roosevelt is so boring. Like, literally, let's just start with the town itself. Roosevelt is literally in the middle of what? Baldwin, Uniondale,
Yeah, give them our exact
Freeport.
location.
I want y'all to know because I'm leaving anyways. So, literally like that town, that small half square mile town.
The one that everybody says like, oh, if you go there, you're gonna get jumped and robbed. Things in Roosevelt.
It's because everybody in Roosevelt is a minority. This is actually the wannabe hood.
They like want to be the Bronx or like,
Mind you, somebody that grew up in the Bronx, like, just want to be like the Bronx.
they want to be city girls and city boys and post up on the fucking block.
Hoes mad.
This block ain't even that big. Like, nobody live here. Like, it's literally old people. Like, what are you doing?
Y'all over here like, whole lot of gangs.
We are the diversity.
You know, there's no diversity, but that's not even the problem here. The problem is that what makes it even worse is that there's no diversity and everybody acts the same. Even if there was no diversity, at least like be different from everybody else. You like all look the same. Everybody in Roosevelt dresses the same. It's so bad. And when I say everybody in Roosevelt, I mean like the people that go to our school. I don't even want to say the name of this.
We do have a uniform. I'm not gonna hold you. But even outside of the uniform, they still look the same. Like, they be like, oh my god, I could dress when I'm not wearing a uniform. Because, like, when I'm in school, who am I looking good for? Nobody. But then they dress on Instagram and they be looking exactly the same with fucking ripped jeans. Like, boy, like,
Exactly.
you don't got no dress. They be like, oh my god, you bitches could never. Facts, if you match your shoes and your shirt, what are you doing? You thought you did something? you thought you did something?
But honestly, she's not wrong.
Lord.
It's true. And everybody that does that, like, I'm not trying to like make you feel mad about yourself, but
sometimes
like,
it look good, but like
every day.
if that's the only thing you got going for yourself is that you can match your shoes with your shirt. We gotta go in with the eyelashes, no makeup.
They all wear eyelashes out to here, no makeup, and it's one strip. Like, it's not even like the eyelashes that look something like this, like different lashes, different lengths. Like, it's just one straight up strip. Like,
One strip, the glue falling off. How you walk out the house see your braids not done. Basically, first and second quarter, you got the same hairstyle. Like, sis, it smells stank. Like, the shit is stiff. Take it out. And then you wear these tight ass lace fronts. Rip your edges out.
That's why they have no hair.
When you about like 25, you ain't gonna have no edges. Your hairline gonna be all the way back here. Like, go natural.
Honestly, go natural.
Don't be like these Instagram baddies, because you know, in reality, they fake. All my pictures on Instagram are face tuned. Like, don't try to be like nobody on Instagram, because it's fake.
And then, you know, I just think I should cover this topic while it's still like fresh and out the box.
Fresh.
All you little Hispanic girls and boys that be saying the N-word, that word is not meant for you.
Y'all fucking clown ass bitches. Sick tired of y'all.
Y'all look like bozos running around Roosevelt saying the N-word. Okay, you hear black people saying it. It's our word. It's not your word. Like,
And there's no such thing as the N-word pass. So get y'all clown ass
Nigga.
and honestly, I feel bad because I feel like a lot of people that are like in Roosevelt now, they're just gonna stay in Roosevelt. Like, they think Roosevelt is it. Honey, Roosevelt is not it. They grew. What the fuck? Why are you putting 10 pounds of lip gloss on with no makeup at all? Just lip gloss.
Maybe like, I gotta put on the Blistex, Carmex. Then I gotta put on my Victoria's Secret lip gloss with sparkles in it. Then I gotta put on my 99-cent store lip gloss so it can be extra juicy. And then they take a sip of their school lunch apple juice, and then all the lip gloss be gone. Bruh.
Nobody's jumping this. If somebody has to say something, you can say it to me.
I don't
That's
care
all,
because
period.
y'all all basic and boring. So what?
And if anybody's mad at this video, I don't care. Like, you can talk to me about it or you can yell at me about it, but I don't care because at the end of the day, it's true. So,
It is. It's only
This is why we have no friends. Because, but then again, I don't want to be friends with nobody out here.
nobody wants to
Unless you like the things that I like, then we can be friends. But
Literally at lunch, we look like the only emo table. Like,
we
don't
keep
look
getting
emo.
we keep getting asked if we're goth. I got asked if I was goth 4
that shit
times.
is funny. That shit is actually funny.
I want to die. People keep thinking I'm a Caesar. Do I look like a Caesar?
Yeah, we are two different people.
I have red hair, and I'm like basically the shade of paper. Like, this is over here, melanin, purple hair. Honestly,
kicked out. That's all.
Alexa, play Melanie Martinez, the principal. No, I walked in, and these girls was making music. No, they was making TikToks in the bathroom.
Go.
And they were like, "Do you make TikToks?" Because apparently I just look like a girl. So like, "You make TikToks?" And I was like, "I have TikTok. I don't make them."
I have TikTok.
And she was like, "Oh."
Cause I be like,
I was cringed in my head. I was like,
Who was it?
Aziza, did you see my pores?
The being mean is not cute comes into play.
Oh. So today's a new day, and this shit can't focus because I have so much shit on my face. My shirt matches my headpieces right here.
Look at that orange. Oh, period.
Look at this wing. Oh, got one hand. Hi, Daddy. This should be the thumbnail. Oh, bring it back to this. And that's all pyramids.
That's all pyramids. Lord.